Testimonials are one of the most powerful ways to build trust and credibility online. In a world full of choices, a single authentic testimonial can be the moment that convinces a visitor to choose you over a competitor. Testimonials act as social proof. They show that real people have already had positive experiences with your product or service. The most effective websites use a mix of testimonial formats. Written testimonials are quick and easy to scan. Video testimonials add a personal, human touch by letting people see and hear real customers. Strong testimonials are authentic and specific. Encourage customers to share real experiences and real outcomes. Adding a customer's name, photo, or title boosts credibility, and framing testimonials as short stories helps create emotional connection. When placed strategically, social proof guides visitors toward taking action. Testimonials work best on homepages, product pages, and during checkout. Test different placements to see what converts best. When done right, testimonials turn doubt into confidence.